gonna push him out the way.
Why is there a monster right here?
Let's go.
Excuse me.
Guys, we need to go to cafeteria.
Cafeteria? Excuse me.
What was that?
No.
Is it just me? Was this the Bro!
Wait, help me.
Cheeky, not cheeky, cheeky, not cheeky, cheeky, not cheeky.
No, this is World Star Clarity, not the actual one.
Guys, let's go to cafeteria.
What kind of it? Never mind. Please, I'm sorry, Mama. Mama, I'm sorry.
It's your damn game.
Guys, run to
Make the
cafeteria.
iconic run.
That's not what I thought. What cafeteria? This is the wrong way. Wow. Move.
You got me. Run to cafeteria, guys. Alright.
How the flip did he get